Hello buddy, today I'm going to be talking about J-pipes or downpipes depending on the car you have. On the WX it is called the J-pipe. So I'm referring to how loud they actually make your car. First things first, if there is some wind, I really apologize for it, but we'll make the best out of it. So on my 2015 WX, I am currently running the NVIDIA J-pipe, and well, getting straight to the point, does it make my car louder? Most definitely it does. I personally ran many setups on this car, the NVIDIA J-pipe with a stock mid-pipe, with the Remark Axleback exhaust, with the J-pipe with the stock exhaust, J-pipe with the NVIDIA R400 exhaust, many options and different variations of the J-pipe that I ran on this car, and there'll be many clips in this video to help you decide if you want a J-pipe or if you do not want a J-pipe and or downpipe on your car. I know I'm calling it J-pipe a lot, but they are pretty much the same thing, J-pipe and a downpipe. So you know, this video isn't really targeted just towards WX or Subaru owners, but it could be towards anyone who wants a downpipe or J-pipe. So just keep that in mind. So for the rest of this video, I'm gonna be referring to it as J-pipe. So don't be alarmed by that. So the first clip I'm gonna show you guys here is with the stock J-pipe and a Remark Axleback exhaust, and then the second clip I'm going to show you is the Remark Axleback exhaust, the same setup but with the aftermarket J-pipe and or downpipe. So we'll see how loud that is in the comparison for you guys. So as you can see, it's obviously quite a big difference. The J-pipe makes the car super loud. You can hear that turbo whistle a lot more. There is just, honestly, it's just a head-to-toe difference right there. Next, I'm going to show you a clip of my NVIDIA R400 catback exhaust with the NVIDIA J-pipe here. I'm not sure if I do have any clips of it, of the NVIDIA R400 with a stock J-pipe. I might have some videos of my inside driving with, or like interior driving with it. I didn't really record it because it sounded super quiet, and I really didn't even take the time to even record it because the car pretty much just sounded stock without the J-pipe. So some of you guys may be asking, what is a J-pipe and or downpipe? And what it does, it directs the exhaust gases from your engine through your car's exhaust system. And with the stock downpipe and or J-pipe, it's very constricted. There's a big old catalytic converter in there, and just the way it's built is very small, and it's, you know, just it doesn't open up for your car. But with an aftermarket J-pipe, you can see in these next two clips here that the aftermarket J-pipe is just, it's huge. You know, there's a lot of air room, there's a lot of wiggle room for your exhausts to expand and make a lot more noise. So there's catted and non-catted J-pipes and or downpipes, and the difference is one has a catalytic converter and one does not. And what you might ask, what does that do? So obviously a catalytic converter is something for your car's emission systems, and you know, stops the smell, but that catalytic converter does make the car quieter. So if you're looking for some more noise and you don't care about emissions, I mean, regardless of the way I think about it, if you're modifying your car, you might as well just go catless because it's already illegal. Why not make it even more illegal? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, a catalytic converter does make your J-pipe or downpipe a lot quieter, and there is a small to drastic jump in sound level and like just the way it sounds with a cat and without a cat. My WX is running a catted NVIDIA J-pipe. I personally am going to switch to a uncatted J-pipe because I want the car to be louder, and also the R400 is one of the quietest setups you could have on this car, but it is the cleanest setup in my opinion, the cleanest sounding setup in my opinion. So that's why I want to go catted and make the car a lot more louder than it really is right now. I don't really have an issue with, you know, having a catted J-pipe, but just having a J-pipe in general is something I highly suggest to not even just WX owners, but every single car owner out there. One, you're not only just making the car louder, you're able to gain a lot of horsepower because you're not being restricted by that stock skinny J-pipe. You can actually gain up to I don't even know what numbers on my bike, but like 30, 40 horsepower in my opinion. My car is pushing a lot more power now. I forgot the numbers. It's probably like 3 something. It's up there in the 300 horsepower range. But it just from having a just from driving the car with a stock J-pipe and a aftermarket J-pipe, the car feels a lot more like it pulls. I'm telling you, when I say it pulls, it really pulls. It gets out there. There's a day and night difference with having a stock J-pipe and an aftermarket J-pipe with power and sound. All right, anyways, everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. A lot more videos coming out for you guys. Like I said before, I'm currently in school, but I'm editing between classes on my free time. After I'm done with homework, I'm done with classes. Whenever I can, in between classes, I'm editing these videos for you guys. And probably as we speak, I'm probably editing a video on campus right now just to upload this for you guys. This exact video right now, actually. So besides that, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let me know if you guys want, you know, if you guys think about getting a J-pipe, or if you guys have any questions about J-pipes or which one you should get. Let me know down in the comments, and I will respond to every single one of them. I try my hardest to respond to every single one of your comments because you guys mean a lot to me. And if you guys watch my videos, that's you supporting me, and I'm gonna support you back by commenting and responding and giving my attention to you guys. So with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.